guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty free, mostly beauty. I'm sorry, I've been waiting for weeks for my PR Ipsy boxes. I wanted to do like individual unboxings, but here we are, almost end of the month. It's the 24th right now. It's probably going up on the 25th. So yeah, I finally have everything. Literally got, like, after work, I got my Boxycharm. So yeah, and as you guys if you guys didn't watch 2 weeks ago, I got my paid for box. So let's get into this though. This is the Ipsy Glam bag. So I didn't even get a bag, by the way. I just got a mailer, so I didn't get the bag, which I always give the bag to my kids. So not very impressed, but so I did look, all right, but not like too much. So first I got the new it's NUE Co. Skin Filter Serum. It has phytoretinol. And I don't really like the ingredient deck on here. Like, I already see lemon fruit extract. There's some caffeine, but it's further down. Glycerin. Like, I don't know about this. Hyaluronic acid is literally the last ingredient. So, and I don't know if this is vegan or cruelty free. I will put it on the screen, and if I have more information, like prices and stuff. It's just a little travel size, and that's $13 a month. And then I think you can pick one item, but I get some PR, so I'm not going to do that. This, I'm not impressed. This is by Jasmine Beauty Illuminating Highlighter, and this is too dark, and it's vegan, and it says it's cruelty free, but it's too dark, so I'm kind of irritated. Like, it's like a gold, and as you guys can tell, I'm pretty fair, so maybe we can try a little bit. I don't know. I know. Let's spot on my hand. I mean, maybe, but it might have a little bit of a cast. You can't really tell because of my lighting and stuff, but yeah, I don't know. It's kind of like, I don't know how much this costs, but it's kind of cheapy. I'm just being completely honest. And then I wore this today, and it's pretty much worn off, so I'm not really impressed with this. But this is from, I like the packaging. It feels velvety. This is from Ciate London. We get a lot of Ciate London, but not, I mean, I'm not saying that's bad. Some stuff is good, some stuff is not. This is the Velvet Skin Cream Blush. I almost bought this, but I'm glad I didn't because I'm not really impressed with this either. This is in the shade Sassy. Sassy, little baby. So I did exactly what it said. Apply 2 to 3 dots, blend for a sheer flush of color. I blended it out with a brush, and it was sticky, and I set it with a powder, but it was sticky. Like, it still feels kind of sticky, honestly, which I don't like that. So, like, in a squeezy tube, which is cool, but I'm just not impressed. And I like the color too. At first I was like, whoa. It blended out really nice. And then you guys know we always get an eye cream. If you didn't, now you know. This is from First Aid Beauty, which I do like First Aid Beauty, but I have so many eye creams. Like, it's kind of ridiculous how many eye creams you get in this box. It just, in general, but whatever. If you need eye creams or skincare, you're gonna get it if you sign up for any box, especially Ipsy. But this is the Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. It's a cute little tubey. I'm not complaining about that. And then lip gloss from Kismet. It's like a pink. It has a sweet scent, but it's not bad. Woo! It is kind of gloopy. It has a interesting shape. Let me see. I mean, it's a little sticky, but not like horrible. So I just put a little bit on. So that's probably like the best thing in the eye cream. So I don't know if that was, I mean, I'd say it's worth $13, but like, and then by the way, I didn't get any special boxes at all, like icon box, which I was excited about. I actually got refreshment boxes for the Boxycharm and the icon box. So I had a feeling I was going to get some duplicates, and I'm kind of like, last month I didn't, this month I did. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Smooth and Blur Setting Powder. I already have this, so I might do giveaways, I don't know, or just going to someone else. This is like a soft matte packaging, just like the Ciate London blush, but yeah, I like this, but I do like my e.l.f. ones. They're cheaper. Then we have the Icon London Beach Babe eyeshadow palette, which I already have, but I've been using for a few weeks, so that is mine. And then we have the Cab Beauty Hydrating Setting Mist. We've been getting a couple things from Cab Beauty. No complaints. Do I have any? Okay, tell me these don't look exactly the same, except for this one has some like little goldy flakes. Like, are these from the same factory? Maybe. This is Beauty Crop. Okay. I'm not gonna complain about that. It looks nice. And then we have the coconut. We have the coffee scrub. Ooh, I've heard this is so messy in the shower. Like, I might give this to a friend. Oh, this is from Frank Body, the coconut coffee scrub exfoliator for smooth, glowy skin. I have so many exfoliators, like I don't need this. And then lastly, we have from SL Miss Glam brushes. These are really pretty, but I mean the brushes are fine. I definitely do not need more brushes, and I just bought some more. But these do, oh man, they're white bristles. I don't like that, but I will use these. These are pretty cute. Okay. So yeah, that is what we got in that. If I had paid for this, I would kind of be irritated because I like my paid for box way better. And then from Icon, I was excited about this and now I'm not, because I was like, oh man, like the products that I actually wanted to get, I didn't get. So we have from Earth Harbor. I've tried quite a few products from Earth Harbor, nothing bad, but they're vegan, cruelty-free. They also are part of 1% for the planet, which is awesome. This is a mask, which I just don't really use masks, so I don't know. And this is a refining enzyme mask, red seaweed and fruit enzymes. And yeah, they're a clean beauty brand, which, you know, I'm gonna do a whole video on like clean beauty and how I feel about that. Oh, okay. Different than how I thought. It was very liquidy, so I will try that. They also are a sustainable brand, which is awesome. This, I don't know if it's vegan or not, because on the website it doesn't say it's vegan, but then like I look at the ingredients and I don't see carmine or beeswax, so I don't know, or lactose or anything. But this is from Too Faced. I actually have been wanting to try this, but I don't know if it's vegan because it doesn't say it's vegan. It, like, usually if a product's vegan, especially like big makeup brands like this, it'll say it's vegan. But let's get into actually what this is. This is from Too Faced. This is their Killer Liner in the shade Killer Black. It's a very, unique name. So it's supposed to be transfer resistant, non-flaking, 36 hours. I don't know who's wearing their eyeliner for 36 hours, but don't do that. And then let's get into something that's not cruelty-free. And I've never even bought anything from MAC because they're not cruelty-free and I just never cared. So this is, I don't know if this is new or not. I really don't care. This is the Magic Extension Fiber Mascara. And yeah, I'm going to give this away to somebody, but whatever. Then this, I got the ABH eyeshadow palette, and I got like the small one. This is the like travel size of the Soft Glam. It's the Soft Glam 2. All ABH palettes, which by the way, this box was designed by the founder of ABH. And I'm sorry, Beverly Hills. And this is the Soft Glam 2 palette, but so it's like half of the Soft Glam palette. First of all, I just did a video all about terracottas, as well as all ABH palettes have carmine. Except for like the whole Norvina collection. Not the Norvina palette, but like Norvina like 1 palette, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, don't have carmine. I don't know why we're still doing that. It's really gross because that's crushed up beetles. Like, it's kind of gross. So yeah, it's kind of irritated about this because we got Modern Renaissance, which also is not vegan, and I used to have that, and I gave it to my former sister-in-law. And then also this other palette that I don't care about, but that's also not vegan. And then I don't know if this is vegan or not. I don't think so, but it was kind of weird. It already had like a mark on it, but whatever. This is the Skin Ink Supplement Bar Body Scrub Fit Serum. Sounds gimmicky to me. Fragrance, which I don't know why Wiki haven't put this kind of stuff in here. I don't know. I mean, lots of glycerin. Squalene's fairly high, which is nice. Yeah, it's supposed to tighten your body and brighten and glowy and whatever. Probably not keeping this as well. This is not vegan. This is from Beauty Stat. This is the Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. And it has lactose in it, so it's definitely not vegan. So that's kind of supposed to Oh, fight pollution. Get out of here. No. Then this I was like excited about, and then it's too dark. This is from ABH. This is their stick highlighter in the shade Bubbly. And it has like a little brush. And then it's like a bronze on me. Like it's not. I wanted to get the cream contour, but it's not. And then it has a little brushy here, like kabuki, but yeah, it's too dark. So yeah, and then this basically makes the box for me, which I'm gonna be trying this. This is from honestly, this is from ABH as well. This is the Brow Genius Brow Serum. I have fairly full brows, except for I overplucked the crap out of them in high school and like college. So like the front of my brows is like very, very thin. So it's sparse. So I am going to try this to see if it works, and it is pricey. I didn't get a card. I will be putting prices. I didn't get like any information. I didn't get anything really, no packaging. So yeah, I hate being negative, but I was just kind of like disappointed because this last month, like my pay for Boxycharm was really good, and there were like good options. So I don't know, better than like next time. So we'll get this in 3 months, and then so we'll get this in September, and then hopefully Boxycharm is better next month. Pay for box, I'm excited about. I'm also gonna be filming spoilers. This weekend's gonna be kind of busy because I have my kid's birthday party and her birthday. So one after another. They post some spoilers on my TikTok if you guys are interested in that. But I also saw there's more. Now I know more information about the add-ons. So that's for next week, though. I'm really, really excited. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Also, if you're interested in Ipsy, you can use my link down below. So yeah.